Hey, Richie here for Hubcap Nation, where we drive the vibe and we sweat like a pig because it was friggin' hot today. Very, very hot. Hot. I think I melted. You know, sometimes you say, hey, I think I sweat my butt off. I think mine's back there because I think it's gone. I think I've done sweated off and all the way down past my knees, my ankles, and just fell off because that's how hot it was. Anyways, but we had fun. So why weren't you there? Were you there? Were you at the new Salem Fire Company's Hog Roast today? Were you there? Because I didn't see you if you were there. If you were there, you should have said hi. You should have said, hey, Richie D. Hey, how you doing? Hey, you know, shake my hand. I don't know. Maybe buy me something to drink. That would have been nice. But I didn't see you. So if I didn't see you, you didn't say anything, guess what? You're going to get a dash plaque. Because I gave out some dash plaques to the people that actually talked to me. But if you didn't, that's okay. Maybe I'll see you next time. So stay tuned on this video. Don't just hang up right now because there's some good cars after me, You're going to get to see some great shots. We had trophies today. We had food today. Gave away, I don't know, like $1,000 today. But if you weren't there, I guess you didn't get anything. But you have a chance to redeem yourself. You know why? Because this Sunday, the 20th, we're going to be at Fair Chance Volunteer Fire Department for the Christmas in July. So you definitely want to be there for that, because that is July 20th, which is next Sunday. So make sure you're there for that. Look us up online. I'll be posting flyers. I'll post some stuff. Maybe get your car on here. That'd be cool, huh? Would it be cool to see your car on there? I think it is. Anyways, Richie D here for Hubcap Nation. I hope to see you next time. I hope to see you and give you a dash plaque. Richie D here for Hubcap Nation, where we drive the vibe and sweat our butt off. Take care.